everyone, this is Eva B Hair Empire from Nigeria. I just got my hair from KF Hair. Wow, I love the texture, so sleeky. This is bone straight. Their bone straight is the best. This is super double draw, you can see it. I got other hair as well. We have other coiling, twisting hair. They are lovely. I love this hair. This is single draw and it looks like super double draw. KF Hair, you are the best. I love you and I'm going to buy more from you. It's my first time. I'm going to patronize you again. Thanks, Sarah is my agent. Thanks for delivering a good hair to me. I love you. Keep it up. Thanks.